Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. The storm is still riding the Cuban coast right now, so it's still quite a ways away. But this is the official last day of preparations. This is it, and anxiety is picking up a little bit. The storm right now is Category 4, and it's expected to hit Fort Myers first, and then right up along the coast to where we are in Tampa. I'm under the suspicion that it will continue to trend west and hit us directly, if not Sarasota, which is about an hour away from us. So we're praying that it hits something before us or veer west and completely off the face of the earth. But right now, as it stands, we should be expecting Category 3 or 4 conditions, which is winds up from 120 miles an hour up. So I'm going to give you a little tour on what we got going on. We have all our furniture, patio furniture that we will be putting in the pool once that time arrives. We got trash cans back here. We got to tie all this stuff up. So we'll be doing that. These are our shutters per se. We'll be putting on this glass window. And this is the most important part right here. We have about, I want to say 10 cases of water and 10-gallon buckets of water. I think we're making ice right now. I gotta fill that up. This is where I plan on being this whole hurricane, right here. This is my parents' closet. And why I'm going to be in here is because there are no windows. It's kind of in a nice spot. Primarily no windows, and there's room. If shit gets bad, that's where I will be. If not, I'll be in the bathroom. But we'll see as that unfolds. My sister came down from Fort Myers.
Way. Don't bother me.
And we also got preparations going on.
That was the one that was deep. I might have to get a long screw for it. It's going in. I know. Here's the
Alright, so good news. 11 o'clock advisory has it at a Category 3 right now in Cuba. So that's good news. I wish it was a 2 or a 1. That way when it arrives it'll be like a 3 at most. But just praying it hits Everglades. That's like the #1 deal right now on that. But you can see the winds picking up a little bit. And we just got we're beginning to tie everything down the back. You can see in the pool. We got our patio furniture. We got the sliding glass doors locked down. See, everything's locked down. So it's just nervous, you know. I'm just thinking about all my friends and family that are in the area. So it's just, that's what I'm worried about too. So it's just, this is scary. But I think we're going to be alright because we had a week to prepare. So, on to the next step of preparing. So this is it. This is the last night before we get tropical storm, hurricane force winds. You start seeing that there's a little breeze going. So right now it's in Cuba, Category 3, 9 miles an hour is the speed of the storm. The winds right now are 125 miles per hour in Cuba. You can see we got stuff boarded up. I gotta take photos of that before tonight. Back here we have everything set up. The chairs, we got the chairs in the pool. So we're all set. This is gonna be it. We're gonna just do the last minute you know, tidy up a little bit and pray.
Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Very good, Jenna.
Yeah, those are your
Got the hurricane flags.
Yeah. Blow it out. Whoops. Well, you're not a category 5, but yeah.
Were you sitting on that one?
No.
They were spread
I just thought of it.
I don't even think Dad heard the joke.
What?
You're not a category 5, but.
Oh no, I know.
Your marks are though.
I'm like, Jenny, you sitting on that one?
Did you get a picture of the
I was
cake?
being like that guy on the Weather Channel.